Hi guys, welcome to Goza Design Channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use computer mouse. Is that okay? Computer mouse in AutoCAD. If the reason why I'm making this video is that a friend of mine approached me that he wants to learn AutoCAD, and then to my greatest surprise, he intended not to buy this computer mouse. He was going to rely on the mouse of his laptop. Now, why should someone buy computer mouse while he's still having a mouse of his laptop? Now, here is the thing. But guys, before we move on, more importantly, if today is your first time on this channel, kindly consider subscribing, because every now and then I will be releasing similar videos. If not about AutoCAD 2D or 3D, definitely it's going to be about Tecla Structures, SolidWorks, StartPro, or Logitras. Now let's move ahead. Why should someone use a buy computer mouse? Is that okay? Buy computer mouse in addition to his laptop mouse when it comes to AutoCAD. Now there are a lot of advantages that the mouse provide. Is that okay? So let's say, for instance, the various part of the mouse is the left click, the right click, and then the wheel. Now let's have a look at this. With the left click, I can use command, select command, click fast, okay, and make it fast. Now, someone will say, oh, with the help of my laptop mouse, I can also do same. I agree perfectly. You can do that. You can do that. Is that okay? Now, the right click also, with the help of your laptop mouse, you can also right click and then get access to the shortcut menu and so on. But now, when it comes to pan, for instance, pan is here. Now, for me not to avoid coming here and so on, what I'm going to do is that with the aid of the wheel of the mouse, when you click on it, it's just fast, just like that. Okay, it's far better. Instead of me going around looking for the pan listen, it's just a matter of clicking on the wheel and then it's done. Is that okay? Let's say, for instance, if I have an object, let's say I have so many objects in the drawing, maybe one is here, and then when I open the drawing, this is all that is showing. Now I need to come and use zoom extend for me to be able to view whatever is on the screen. But with the aid of my mouse, instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is simply double click on the wheel of the mouse. And whatever is on the screen, that is a shortcut for zoom extend. So these are some of the basic thoughts that I share with the guy, and then finally he agreed to buy the mouse. So if you are also doubting why should you buy a separate mouse in addition to your computer mouse, guy, just be smart enough by doing that to leverage the computer mouse, because it's very effective, and it will, I bet you, it will increase your productivity as far as AutoCAD is concerned. Thank you so much for your attention, and then see you next in another video.